Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Amazon order history. And is it possible? Actually, no. You cannot permanently delete orders from Amazon account. Amazon remains or retains your purchase history for records, security, and customer service reasons. However, you can use the archive feature to hide orders from your default history. So what you're going to do is you have to basically scroll down, look for that specific order that you want to hide, not delete, but put on archive. So you have to go to your account on Amazon, click on returns and orders, find the order you want to hide, and then here you have to click our order details, select archive order, and confirm by clicking archive order again. So basically, you can archive up to 500 orders, and that's it. You cannot delete an item or order here. This is not to mislead or misinform you, but this is just to tell you that you cannot delete an item here in Amazon for security purposes. Now, to view your orders, or if you want to unhide it, or if you want to see it, you just have to go to your accounts and list, click your account, go to archive orders. Under ordering and shopping preferences, you will see your archive orders. So also Amazon Mobile does not support archiving or deleting orders. You can use a desktop browser for these features. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.